Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got all new working codes for Roblox 99, Nights in the Forest. Some of these codes might expire anytime, so make sure you watch till the very end. There's even a secret code hidden in this video. So don't skip, watch carefully, and grab all the rewards to join the giveaway. Just comment your Roblox username below. If any code doesn't work, comment your username again, and I'll help you out. And hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss new codes, whether it's Blocks Fruits Dress to Impress or 99 Nights in the Forest. We've got all the latest working codes for you. Now, the developers just released some amazing new updates, including new skins, new maps, and exclusive challenges, so you don't want to miss out. Plus some codes, give free diamonds and other cool rewards that will help you level up faster and unlock special outfits. Make sure to check every code carefully because some of them are hidden or secret, and you have to be really attentive to grab them all. Imagine walking through the forest, collecting diamonds, solving challenges, and finding rare secret codes. It's super exciting, and trust me, it's worth it. Also, don't forget to comment your Roblox username if you want to join the special giveaway and win exclusive items. All right, so grab your notepad, get ready, and let's jump right into all the latest working codes and enjoy the brand new updates in Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest.